모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요. Again, 모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is MODEUN. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about MODEUN. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 352. MODEUN. MODEUN. This pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, and the second syllable is den. Pronounce it with me. MODEUN. So, the Korean word MODEUN is used to say all. Again, MODEUN means all. How do we write MODEUN in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable mo, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an o character. For the second syllable den, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an u character followed by a nian character. And then after that, we just need to combine the hangul for each of those two syllables to form the hangul of the word MODEUN. Now let's try looking at this example sentence. It says, all teachers are smart. Again, all teachers are smart. The Korean translation of that is 모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요. Again, 모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요. So let's look into the details of this Korean translation. So the first part is MODEUN. This is a word for the day and it means all. So it pertains to all teachers. The next part is 선생님들은. So, 선생님 means teacher. But if you want to say teachers, as in the plural term of teacher, we need to change 선생님 into 선생님들. And then we will add 은 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. So, 선생님들은 pertains to teachers. And 똑똑해요 means smart. So if we combine 모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요, it would result to a sentence that means all teachers are smart. So looking back to those which is flashed a while ago at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of 모든 선생님들은 똑똑해요 is all teachers are smart. And with that, you just learned MODEUN. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 342 to 351. Don't forget our word for today, word number 352, MODEUN, which means all. The first word for our review is word number 351, 먹자, which means let's eat. Next word is 다행이다, which means well, that's a relief. Next word is 말해봐, which means try saying it or say it. Next word for our review is 미쳤어, which means crazy. Next word is 동급생, which means same grade level or classmate. Next word is 아침 식사, which means breakfast. Next word is 잔디, which means grass. Next word is 점심, which means lunch. Next word is 저녁, which means like. And the last word for our review is word number 342, otte, which is used to say what do you think about this or how is something. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.